Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you must have seen in the title already, we are at Caymanas Park, right here in the Caymanas area, close to Gregory Park, right here in Portmore, St. Catherine. Not sure how many of you guys have visited this location before. So Caymanas Park, this is Jamaica's only venue for horse racing. It was a sugar plantation before as well. So back in the days, years and years ago, it was a sugar plantation, and then they built, Caymanas estate. So that's what we're taking a look at today. So we'll be sending up the drone for sure, just to give you guys a broad view of the area, especially if you have never come here before. It's a very big area, very big area right here in Portmore. So we'll send up the drone and show you guys some aerial shots. I think the horse racing has paused, so I don't think we'll get to see any horse actually racing, but that is fine. So it's really just showcasing you guys this area in Portmore, Caymanas Park. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. So borrow somebody's phone. Anybody beside you right now, anybody at all, just borrow their phone, go on YouTube. If they don't have any data, give them some hotspot and subscribe. So thanks for the support, thanks for watching, thanks for all the likes, comment, and everything. So see you on a drone view in a minute, a second, or probably right now.